welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm doing Vlogmas, so I'm dropping a video every single day. If you're not new here, welcome back, the real OGs, okay? So based on the title of this video, you guys already know it's a cleaning vlog. It's a cleaning day. I want to clean my whole bathroom. As you can see, I just put those towels up there, but I just want to clean my whole bathroom, to be honest, because I feel like this place is just such a mess. And I've just been on the go. I've been going out, I've been doing things, I've been on the go. So I just want to reset. Today's Saturday, I want to just reset. I want to just clean up my studio, definitely, because I've been sewing like crazy. Y'all know I'm about to go on vacation. And after that, if I do have time within this vlog, right, I was just gonna go get my toes done and at least get my toes done. I'm gonna get my nails done closer to my trip and then make that into one video. But today it's just gonna be a cleaning vlog, cleaning my bathroom, cleaning my studio, and probably decluttering my closet if I have the time in this vlog. But if not, I might just make that its own vlog. So let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm done cleaning the bathroom now. I'm about to clean the studio. The studio looks a hot mess, you guys. Like, a hot mess because I've been sewing non-stop. And now it's just time to clean it up, reorganize, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's get right into it. Hey guys, so I am officially done with cleaning. Oh my goodness, I am so tired, guys. Like, I am so tired. It feels so good to just reset and just clean everything because during Vlogmas I feel like it's just so much going on, but now I get to clean and reset before Sunday so I can use Sunday for other things, you know what I mean? So it feels really good. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and for watching each and every videos that I'm dropping every single day. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.